Welcome. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the letter Qaf, but it's not going to be called Qaf. We're going to call it choked out Felix because we talked about before in the previous video, if you've been following along in the previous video, we covered what's his face, Felix the fat face, um, fat F. That's what it was, right? Because the letter F is similar to the letter fat. However, in this video, we are going to its next door neighbor, which is this guy. He's got two letters. So imagine somebody went to Felix, came up behind him, and then choked him out, and his eyes just popped out. Beginning, middle, end. This is how Qaf, aka choked out Felix, looks like in the beginning, middle, and end. Yes, I did happen to put a Domingo there by accident, but don't worry about it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back in the series. What we're going to do here is we're going to be going over the last verse of Surah Al-Fath, verse 29, page 1515. Basically has every letter of the Arabic alphabet. By now, you should be almost reading this thing, or at least recognizing it, maybe not reading it just yet, because we don't know we're not very proficient on the sounds these letters make, but we're getting to know the shapes, which is very important, which is the first step in being able to read the language. And so, let us begin. Where is choked out Felix? Where is Felix going ka ka ka? And two dots on top, remember? So we can just start looking for two dots. Where's the two dots? I see three dots, that's not it. I see one dot, nope. I see one dot, nope. I see two dots, but that's a taco. Forget that. I already, it's fast, we're fasting, it's Ramadan. Let's keep going. We got another taco, nope. We got a gargling gargoyle. We haven't covered this letter yet, so we're not gonna talk about it. We got, what's his face, Felix. We got a sad with a dot on top, making a dad. Keep going. This is becoming a video for all the letters we've already done, except for the one that we're trying to do, which is the letter Qaf. One dot, three dots, one dot, three dots, one dot, two dot, taco, nope, two dot, taco, nope, keep going, three dots, one dot, zoom, nope, we've got one dot, three dots, one dot, two dots, taco, nope, one, two dot, taco, nope, we've got, oh, there we go, our first choked out Felix, right there. I'm covering, it's all in shadows. This right there is choked out Felix, which is qa, 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 next to a, we haven't even covered this letter yet, so we're not going to talk about it right now. Let's keep going. Any more two dots? Any more two dots? Any more two dots? No two dots there. Any more two dots? Oh, there's a two dot taco, not the one that we're looking for. Two dot taco, not the one that we're looking for. No, one dot. Oh, look at that. Felix is so good at jujitsu that he got choked out only once in this entire video. Unless I missed one. If I did miss one, let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.